What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this logo. See that logo right there? I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that logo. Well, not necessarily the same one, but very simple, very similar. And it's like the most simple logo you can ever do, besides just like a color or just leave it blank or whatever. But this is how you do a logo that looks good, but it's very simple. Alright, so what you want to do is go to your Photoshop or whatever you're designing, whatever equipment designing thing you have, and file, you'll go to file, new, and you'll type name, whatever, you can just leave it blank, or YouTube logo, width 800, height 800, pixels, leave everything else blank, everything else the original. So once you get your blank, your white page, you'll want to go to your bucket, or this is what I like to do. You can do it however you want to. I like to go to my bucket and paint it black. Alright, once you got your black page, you'll go to your brush. You'll go to your brush and you'll make it 1200. You'll get the pencil or whatever this is, the brush. Yeah, the brush. You'll click the third one. Make the size 1200, hardness 0, and in my logo that I got on YouTube, it's gray, but I'm gonna make it green in this one because it looks better green. So you see how it's big like that, and it's cutting off the four corners of the square. Well, if it is, then you're doing it right, and you'll just click once. Just click once, and see, it'll make this awesome like circle and black corners, faded darker corners that look like this. And if that's happening, then you're doing it perfect. So after you've did this, you'll go to your text tool, and the font I'm going to be using is Raise 1 Original. It's a Graffiti font, and that's what I'm going to be using. And that just messed up. Let me do this one more time. Let me try it one more time. Alright, and the size I'm going to be using is 100 for my first thing. And I like to change my text back to black. I like it to be black because it looks better black, and that's too big. So I'm going to make that about an 80. Yep, perfect, at 80. And once you get that, you'll make it centered. Make it perfect however you like it. I don't care what you do, but I'm just showing you the most simple way to do it. And you'll just make it like that right there. And I made my name, I did my YouTube name, and I'm gonna put like a little logo. I'm gonna put a little thing at size 50, make it center. I'm gonna put like a little motto thing that I have: free backgrounds, and then enter and logos. So it looks good like that. So it's like, yeah, I don't know. I don't understand why I like it like that. I just do. And now since I've got all of that, I'll just come over here. See, you could save it. You could save it and keep it how it is, or you can edit your text and make it look way better. But it's very simple. Alright, you'll go to your blending options for your first word, and you'll click Bevel Emboss. Alright, once you get Bevel Emboss, you'll make the size look about a 5. I like it about a 5. Yeah, a 5. And then you don't need a stroke unless you want a stroke. The inner shadow, you can use your inner shadow. You'll change that to normal, and you'll change this to whatever color you want. I don't care what color you want, but I'm gonna do about a blue. I'm gonna do like a purplish blue kind of color. The code for that is 0084FF, and the code for that is 0084FF. I sounded like a freaking Walmart person. Who cares, or whatever they want to call it. I don't care. And then you'll make that size about a 4 or 5. I did a 4. I could have kept it a 5. It doesn't really matter. And then you'll make it inner glow, screen, I'll change that to another blue. Change that to a blue. I'll make the size, or no. Keep it down at like a 2 or a 1 or a 0. It doesn't really matter, but you'll want to put a little noise into it. I put about a... It doesn't really do much to it, but I don't really care. I like it. No, I like it. I like it with the little noise into it, even though it doesn't really look like there's nothing to it. I don't really care. And then, no, you don't need gradient overlay right now. You don't need pattern. You need outer glow, though. Once you get the outer glow, you'll make it a blue. You'll get another blue again. And the code for that one is probably close to the same as the other one. Yep, 0072FF. And again, the code is 0072FF. Alright, just making sure you guys get it. And for the opacity, I'm going to just take it up to 100. And the size, I'm going to take it up to about a 16, 17, around there. Whatever you guys like. You can even make it 100 or anything, but it kind of looks a little weird if you make it like that. And then for your drop shadow, I like my angle is at 120. I'll keep it black, blend mode, multiply, size, I'll get that up to about a 10. Distance, I'll make that about a 10 too, instead of a 9 to 10. 9 to 10, either way around there. Spread, I'll make that about a 10 also. So just 10, 10, 10 for all three of those. And there you have it for your first word. You're done. Very simple, easy. Definitely not the best you can do or the best I can do or whatever, but you can make it way better whenever you do it yourself. I'm just showing you guys one of the most simplest ways how to do a logo. And then once you do this, you'll just clear that all up so it doesn't snow. It's not a lot. You'll go here, you'll go to your first word where you did wherever you did the colors and stuff. You'll go to copy layer style, and then you'll come over to your next word, right click, and paste layer style. And then there you have it. Your simple logo. I hope you guys like. And the way you want to do it is go to File and Save for Web. Because if you do it Save As or anything else, you'll just make the whole thing ugly and stuff. Because look, and if it's anything else, you want to make it the PNG 24 format, because it'll make it HD looking really cool, making it look really good. And then you'll save. I got a little folder for mine. You can make a folder also, and I'm gonna just do YouTube logo number 3, YouTube logo 3. Save. So then now that logo is gonna be in my photos, and yeah, that's how you do it. And then whenever you post it on YouTube, it's gonna look really good. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Big Boy Designs.